Hi, it's Jeffrey. It's Red Color. How are you? Um, this is the reading for June 10th. I haven't even opened the cards. This is going to be, oh, there you go. Oh, this is going to be my little mask for today. Pretty, pretty. Okay. Blue, blue, blue. All right. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, press the bell for notifications. I did a solar eclipse reading, which is, I guess, today. But I don't think it's going to be visible. It's also 4 in the morning or something. You're not really supposed to look at it unless you have the right glasses. So let's see what the energy is for the 10th. I'm in a good mood. I have a lot to do. It's good. Helping a friend. We had a rainstorm yesterday, so it's a lot less humid. Okay. Good. I could turn on the light. I'm not turning on the light. Okay. Okay. 7, Justice, and the Sun. It's a nice reading. So in a weird way, this is sort of an eclipse reading. So obviously this is a card of defensiveness, which makes sense. But it's, by the iconography. But 7 is also about confidence. So, because I have 2 other benefics, basically, it's kind of like, don't worry, you have the high ground. This is also about defending your passion, your creative ideas, your creative thoughts. I think it sort of relates to the other reading. It's like, keep it, mum's the word. Like, keep it to yourself until it's ready. And then we get balance. So I think that's the eclipse, right? Because here's the sun, or part of the sun, right? So it's like there's a rebalancing going on. Like, that's what we're all in the middle of. It's this new rebalancing. And then we get nourishing and nurturing, because it's like after the eclipse, the sun goes back to normal, but it has to go through its phase. And part of its phase, have confidence that, the sun is going to shine again. It's not like living in some ancient civilization where the priest or whoever says, okay. I think this is about having confidence in your dreams and confidence in your future and confidence in the future. Moving forward, even though you might feel a little overwhelmed at the moment, know that it's all going to work out, and that it's all going to work out. Instead of being in that place. Balance is restored. All is well. Calm down. That's the energy. It's kind of nice. All right. Yeah. Have a lovely day. I'm off to work, and enjoy whatever you're doing, and whatever needs to be fixed or changed, understand that it will be, and that you have the upper hand. And you put some effort toward it, and things will change if you want them to change. They're going to change anyway. Thanks for tuning in. See you soon.